What's up, YouTube and fellow AutoKnights? On this episode, we will be working on a Chevy Trailblazer 2004 EXT upper control arm. There are a lot of necessary steps taken before that were not shown. Step 1, break the lug nuts loose. Step 2, jack up the car. Step 3, put jack stands under in a safe location. Step 4, remove the lug nuts and make sure you remember which order and which lug nut goes to which bolt. Step 5, work on that 14mm control arm bolt. And now, get to that upper control arm bolt with a 21mm as shown. Yippee-ki-yay, mamacita! Here's the old. We see all that in there? Yeah. So that's what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like. That's what it's supposed to look like. See the bushing on the outside right here? See how there's rubber? Yeah, that's gonna stop your car from bouncing. Notice that there's zero. Yeah, that is not gonna do anything. So, we're gonna put a new one in. All right. Which comes to the best part of all restoration and repair. Putting a new part and seeing that shiny part with the all old stuff. So, we are taking off a bolt here to take off the water reservoir so we can get into that wheel knuckle a little easier. So, we got one bolt off. See you later! Put that right there. Look at this. Oh, you can't even see the light. Oh! See that? It's cracked. See the crack right there? See how there's no crack on this? See there's a little crack right there? Yeah. Oh, I thought I was talking to you. So that has been leaking fluid nonstop. Okay.
1,000 IQ play right here.
Alright?
Suppose we're going
up and around the wheel well and barely fitting in there. And
Luke, what would you say to an aspiring mechanic?
don't be afraid. I was so afraid my first time. Like, I didn't touch anything. I was like, oh, I'm gonna break it. But like, it's already a piece of shit. If you're fixing it, it's already broken. So whatever you're gonna do is gonna make it better. But that is a good question, Nick. Thank you. I know we're a mess in here.
Legendary Chevy Blazer.
Coming out. Push the bolt in if you don't mind, and I'm gonna hit it. And then like, yeah, so we'll feel it. Let's go, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Put it, hit it forward. Like towards, yeah, that way. All right, now up a little bit. I think that was it.
Felt good.
I think that was it.
It felt right. Is that it?
I think that's it.
Feels good to me. Let me see if it ratchets. Yeah, that's definitely going there.
Yeah, that's.
Yes, dude, that went in. Wow.
Little update. Only like quarter left.
A nickel.
Yeah, maybe even an eighth.
Dude, let's go though. She's in. Now we have to do our medium strength thread lock.
What is that?
This is so it doesn't unscrew easy. It literally locks the threads in like.
Nice.
So
Good product plug.
Permatex, dude. This could be the start of something, Nick. You're doing a good job. Like, yo, who plug it? Like, Permatex, you ever want to sponsor us? Nighttime Auto, help us out. So what we're gonna do is looks like cut it, open, a little love snip. Yep. Glove snip. We're gonna apply or two these bladders right in here. Okay. That lad. That lad. You're not supposed to fully tighten it yet. You're supposed to do like a hand tighten like this. Because once you put the wheel back down on the ground, it puts it to the height it's supposed to be, and then you do your final notches. But next video, we're changing out this little pump. Little pump. Little pump. Call me a big pump. Wedge this out like this.
Oh, we got some more viewers. We got two more viewers. Welcome to the stream.
Welcome, y'all.
So new viewers, we are in the process, or Luke is in the process of replacing the control arm.
Yes.
Real elaborate techniques here.
Little hammers. I wish I had an actual hammer.
Oh, come on!
I actually have like a tiny hammer that would be not like that.
You heard him, everybody. You got a tiny hammer.
I walked into that one. Oh.
That's how you know you need a new bushing. It's supposed to look like this, something along the lines of this. It looks like that. So when you go over a bump, boom, boom. Lastly, tighten down that 14mm bolt, controlling it to the knuckle. Put that wheel back on. Tighten those lug nuts after you drop it. And don't forget to tighten that control arm 21mm bolt at the if you made it this far, thank you so much. And congratulations. Hopefully you enjoy your upper control arm as much as I do. And enjoy yourself a fantastic new ride. And never be afraid to tackle a new task. Because hey, if someone else is doing it, why can't you? Thank you again. As always, I'm 19TV, signing out.